Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, November 20th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had quite a day today. You know, it wasn't a hugely profitable day, but we just had some great trades that I'm going to show you. We ended up closing out about $2,000 on our what we had coming into today. We had one really great trade in there, but we had one really bad one in Tetraphase Pharmaceuticals, my least favorite stock, and so we only made $2,000 in the closeout trades, but we are carrying 8,600 in our open trade equity over the weekend, which looks real good. Dow, as you can see here, made a big gain, ended up closing positive 91. Normally this pattern that you see where it shot up right at the beginning and then kind of slips back all day long, that normally causes us a lot of problems. It really didn't cause us any problems today. We had a decent day with respect to the new stuff we got into. Let me show you the individual trades. A lot of really interesting stuff that happened today. This first one is Lululemon Athletica, and this is kind of you know, the good and the bad. Let me tighten this up here so you can see our entry. Yeah, we entered this yesterday right close to the open. It didn't really do too much for us by the close yesterday, but you can see it just screamed on the open this morning, and we got out here, and we got out of Lululemon with over $3,500 in profits, so that's really good. It would have been nice if we could have just left it alone, but no, we re-entered the thing here, and this was just the killer. You know, after making $3,500 in it, then we get back in it, and it pulls back, and we're holding negative about $2,000 there, and that. So that was kind of bittersweet. It was not my favorite trade today, in spite of the positive trade we had right at the beginning. The rest of these I'm showing you are great. They all have a very similar pattern. This is Bazoom. We got into this second hour. It just kept going. We're holding $3,000 in open trade equity in Bazoom. That's B-Z-U-N. Next we have Vips Shop, and let me see here. This isn't right. Here we go. Vips Shop. VIPS or Vips. We got into this second hour just like Bazoom. It kept going and going and going. We're holding $3,000 in open trade equity in Vips Shop. Next, Yelp. Just great. Got into this right near the open this morning. It just shot up. We are holding over $3,000 in Yelp. And finally, I gotta show you, I mean, this is one of the best trades I've seen in a long time. This is just fantastic. This is PACB, I think that's Pacific Biosciences of California, and holy smoke, we this exit here yesterday, we took $4,000 out of PACB, and then we re-entered it right away. And look at this re-entry. You know, I complain about re-entries, not this one. This thing just screamed yesterday. Then it pops up, and we get out here almost perfectly. Can't beat that exit. We took $7,000 out of Pacific Biosciences of California. Fantastic trade. Anyway, we had a good day. Trader Bob's happy. You guys have a great weekend. We'll see you online next Monday.